This is one of the projects we've got in Manchester, which is basically part of the fire safety work, which is recladding the building and also replacing any combustible decking. What I've found is in the UK there's not many manufacturers of non-combustible decking. Under a sort of search on the internet, eventually came up with this product which is Rhino. On this project we've basically used two of the BalcaSmart products. We've got two situations. We've got balconies, which is sort of a domestic loading, and on the walkways we've got more of a heavier load. What I found with Rhino is they do have all the certificates to back up the products, the technical backing for the documents, the brochures, the CAD details, fire safety, and plus they've got office support which is available whenever you need it. And there's times when I've needed information like immediately, we need to get drawings out the same day. They've always been there for us on the phone. Technical information is very good. You know, whatever the question is, there's always been an answer. Even if it's something that they don't actually manufacture themselves, they'll sort of assist and give advice. The experience with Rhino has been very good. The products that were supplied provided everything we needed for the project. All the different colour ranges, the different support systems, the different design loads. So it was an easy choice really.